In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to negotiate on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're looking to save money on a purchase or secure a great deal on a sale, these strategies can help you navigate the marketplace more effectively. Let's dive right in. First, it's crucial to do your homework. Before engaging in any negotiation, take the time to check the market price. This means searching for similar items to get a sense of the average selling price. This research will give you a solid foundation for your offers and counteroffers. Also, understand your item's value by highlighting its features, condition, and any extras it may include. This will not only provide context to the buyer or seller, but also justify your pricing. Keep in mind that demand plays a key role. If you're dealing with high-demand items, there might be less room to negotiate. Now, when initiating contact, craft a friendly first message. Approach the conversation with politeness and approachability. A simple "Hi, I'm interested in your item. Is it still available?" can set the right tone. Avoid jumping straight into price negotiations. This can be off-putting for many sellers. Timing, as they say, is everything. Responding quickly shows that you are an active buyer or seller and can increase your chances of successful negotiation. Consider reaching out at the end of the week or month, as sellers might be more willing to negotiate for a quick sale during these periods. Use strategic offers to steer the negotiation in your favor. Begin slightly lower than your maximum price to allow room to meet in the middle. If applicable, suggest bundling items by saying something like, "I'm interested in this and that. Any chance for a deal if I take both?" Cash in hand can also play a significant role, as many sellers prefer instant, hassle-free payment. As a buyer, highlight your value by offering a quick transaction. For instance, mention that you can pick the item up today. Sellers often appreciate easy and fast deals and might be more flexible with pricing as a result. Throughout the process, keep negotiations polite. Use phrases like "would you consider" or "is your best price." Maintain a respectful tone and avoid being overly aggressive, as this might turn the seller away. Finally, know when to walk away. Set a maximum price in your mind and stick to it. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Remember, there's always another deal around the corner. If the negotiation doesn't meet your terms, it's perfectly acceptable to step back. Once you've arrived at an agreement, close the deal smoothly by confirming all details such as pickup